Here is the Philips Crystal HD amplified antenna. This was Target purchase, and I'm showing you the contents of the box, a quick setup, uh, setting it up with the antenna, and then as well as connecting it to a VIZIO TV. So we are connecting the antenna to a VIZIO smart TV. That was a version 2022, but it's a VIZIO TV that's just been updated. So it's basically a new TV. It's just version 2022, but the software is updated. So basically, you will get this little guy right here. It's from Philips. And I've tried other antennas before that was purchased at Amazon, and this one I want to see how it is. This is actually probably sold in Amazon as well, but I have purchased this in Target, and you will get this. The antennas um, is already attached. You don't have to assemble anything. So if you see that it says there you can you can position it any way you want it to. It could act as a stand for the antenna for the unit, and it comes with a power cord as well as the cord, the connector that goes to any of your TV. It could be an old TV, because the old TV, new TVs has the same antenna connector. That one at least hasn't changed. No batteries. You don't have to put any batteries on this one. Nothing. Just that. What you see. You do have a notice there that if you're gonna get an issue, you don't have to return it to the store. You can call their customer service, which I haven't tried. And then there's a mini manual. So far, I didn't have to go into the manual because basically this is just a very self-explanatory item. So here it is. You got 1, 2, and 3, like just the unit, the antenna unit, the power cord, and the cord to connect to your antenna slot in your TV. So this is the VIZIO TV connections at the back. You do have that. It's gonna say antenna. So if you haven't ever seen an antenna slot before, there is a label at the back of your VIZIO TV. It will say antenna, and it will fit. Like all you need to do is to tighten it until you can no longer turn it, and then you're connected. And then once it's connected, you will just connect the 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 other part to the antenna, to the amplified antenna. It's a Crystal HD Philips amplified antenna. And here is the power cord. The power cord is not the one where like you can take it off. So it's the attached one. So it's already attached. You don't have to assemble the power cord. And here's the back of that Crystal HD Philips antenna. Nothing special really. It's just no additional parts to take apart or to assemble. So here's the VIZIO TV, right? So on the VIZIO TV, use the remote and go to inputs and go to antenna. And then while waiting, those are your instructions if you feel the need to use it. But once you go to the antenna section, it will just let you know that, because VIZIO has a watch free feature where they give you free channels. All you need to do is add those channels that are not yet on watch free, to be added, to be scanned, like, so you just scan it like this, so it's gonna say finding channels. You just have to wait. It takes a little bit to find the channels, depending on your internet download speed and connection. So you can just wait a little bit, but basically very easy. It's just quick connecting, finding that, going back to your VIZIO TV, going to scan and finding the channels that are available for your antenna. So again, this is for Philips, the Crystal HD amplified antenna. It's currently scanning and finding the channels. I'm showing you just so you know how long it is to find channels, in real, in real time, if you are setting it up yourself, so you have an idea. And then as soon as the channels are found, it will ask for your zip code, because it needs to know, like, is there available channels in that zip code that are actually free for the antenna. And here it is. That's it. Once it's all there, you are going to, it's gonna, with a VIZIO TV, it automatically goes to a live TV channel. So this VIZIO TV, it was the version 2022, but the there's a software update. So basically, even if you, this is version 2022 and you buy a newer TV, it's going to be the same look, in terms of what you see on the channels. So in the remote, you're able to look at the guides. So I'm just browsing through for you, and then, because this is a smart TV, you'll see an option there for, the other apps. But here it tells you VIZIO Watch Free. Your local antenna channels are now part of Watch Free Plus. So just a quick one. Watch Free is a channel that VIZIO offers, but I think they now have a Watch Free Plus where you get more, but there might be some subscription. But just a quick browse through on what channels you get, just so you can have a look. Again, that's your Philips Crystal HD amplified antenna connected to a VIZIO Smart TV version 2022, but software is updated to the current version. So it still be like you're buying a TV in 2024. And again, just quick showing you what the settings in the TV will be once you've scanned and added the antenna channels. This is what's gonna show you when you're in the watch free. You do have, since this is your smart TV, you do still have the option to go back and watch your subscribed channels like apps, Netflix, and the rest. But again, this is your antenna, the HD Philips Crystal HD amplified antenna connected to your VIZIO Smart TV. And here is the model of the VIZIO TV, just in case you're interested in knowing. But here it is again. This is the Philips Crystal HD amplified antenna.